Hello everyone! Today I'll be demonstrating how to view private Instagram account photos. To get started, open the Instagram application. There are essentially three ways to access private photos. The first option is straightforward. Visit the person's Instagram account and send a follow request. If the person accepts your request, you'll gain access to their photos. The second option involves trying to contact them outside of Instagram. To do this, tap the three dots at the top right, then select about this account. If you find any information like an email address or details about other social media platforms, try reaching out through those channels, request access, or ask them to accept your follow request. The third and final option is to ask someone who follows a private account for the photos you're interested in. They can request access on your behalf, making it easier to view the private photos.